Welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. So today we're going to be doing a simple beet shake, okay? Now the recipe calls for half a cup of strawberries, so either frozen or fresh, 1/3 cup of blueberries, so either frozen or fresh, half a banana, 1/3 cup of sliced cucumber, half a cup of beets, and 1 cup of ice or water. Okay, now let's get started with this simple shake. Okay, so we're gonna start adding our ingredients in the blender. So we're gonna add our blueberries and beets. Now blueberries and beets, they're high in fiber. Okay, so we're gonna add our strawberries in here, our banana and cucumber, and we're gonna add our ice. Okay, now we're gonna blend this for a minute. Okay, so we're done. Doesn't this look so colorful? This drink is so refreshing, especially on a hot summer day like today. So it's loaded with nutrients, and I encourage you to give this a try. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.